I'm at the bus stop here in Joao Pessoa and heading over to Natal today with the Nordest buses. It's going to take me 3 hours and looking forward to Natal. The bus, I'm of course going to have some acai here. This is how the platform looks like. And there is a self-service acai kiosk which is going to have different types of acai. I have about 15 more minutes till I get onto the bus to Natal. But I thought I'll show you around the bus station and what it looks like here and what to expect when you come to the bus station. This is the Tourist Information Center. This is where you embark and disembark. Well, this is the arrival, sorry. The embarking is ahead. There's ATMs, there's a place to keep your luggage. And I'm gonna grab some coffee here now. Typical place where you get local food looks like here. I'm probably gonna get something which is chicken bread. Let's see. Boa tarde. Ah, não pode? Tá bom, né? É só pra meu vlog. Oh, desculpa. Pode filmar? É GoPro, é pra filmar vídeo. É pra meu vlog de YouTube. I was just explaining to her why I'm filming this and she was just kidding with me about why you should not be filming. But let's see what is a typical dish to get here. Qual é a comida típica de aqui? Tem comida típica de aqui, de Nordeste. É mesmo, em São Paulo e Rio de Janeiro também tem o mesmo. Por aqui tem algumas coisas.
Macaxeira.
Macaxeira, que é isso?
Pamonha.
Pamonha de carne? É de carne ou de...
Não, é de milho.
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 Ah, ok. Por favor. E quanto é?
4,50.
$4. Okay, so this is apparently something which is a very local thing to have. It's made with corn. I'm going to try that out. What the dish looks like, what I've got right now. It is supposed to be sweet and I'm combining that with some coffee. Typically you get it with sugar, but I've requested for coffee without sugar. That is café sem açúcar. That's the pricing. I don't know if you can see that. The dish which I'm having here is quite yummy. Actually tastes like having corn shira in a way. Com licença, qual é o... Como chama?
Pamonha.
Pamonha. Okay, let's call pamonha. Obrigado. So for the pamonha, which is like the corn shira and the coffee, I am paying 6 reais, which comes to around 110 rupees. And we are off to Natal. See you, Paraiba. Tchau, obrigado.